Hello everyone, I am with Alex. Hello Alex, a great what are you?
Chief Happiness Officer.
A great one, Chief Happiness Officer. Alex, what is the most powerful question I can ask to myself to be more happy?
Yeah, that's actually simple. You can ask yourself, in what previous situations have I been happy? Because the thing is, most people don't know what makes them happy. But if you go back to previous experiences that you really enjoyed, that made you happy, that will show you what really works for you. Not what you think works, not what other people expect to work, not what other people expect to you, but what actually works for you. So that question, go back to, this project I worked on, that was amazing, or when I worked in this workplace, that was fantastic, or this boss was really good. Find those previous positive experiences, analyze them, and that will show you what actually makes you happy, or not what you think makes you happy.
Okay, so it means that it's not possible to put a zero in this answer. It means if I have never been happy at work. No, it's not possible.
If you've never been happy at work, then something's very wrong, right?
Yeah.
I think everybody, even if you never had a really good job, there must have been some aspects of some previous job that you actually enjoyed. Go back to that, analyze it, and figure out what works for you.
Indeed, either in results or in relationship.
Yes, those are the two things that make us happy at work: results and relationships. I bet if you go back to previous awesome experiences at work, it's going to be about either results, relationships, either doing great work or working together with great people. So that's the truth all over the world for everybody.
Great. Thank you, Alex.
My
and
pleasure.
I hope it will be a good tip for you. Don't hesitate to share behind that. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
You're
Bye-bye.
welcome.